All of that snow adding into the several inches that have already fallen in Flagstaff.
Yeah, some people forced to extend their stay there.
We are in downtown Flagstaff, and when you look at these big snow piles.
Wow.
Yeah, like, terrible, devastating. Family lived here, 2 kids, a dog, 2 cats, a lizard, parrot, gone.
When was this?
Last year, yeah. Happened within a year. It was crazy.
I'm here with my friend Chris, and Chris, did you lose anyone in the storm last year?
Not any family, but I lost a couple cats, and it's been really tough since then because that's a lot of what's been keeping me going. So, but no family members, thank God. I don't really have any family around here anymore. They got taken away the last winter, so there's not much else I can lose, honestly.
What up?
Hey man, mind if I come in?
Come in.
So how are you preparing for the storm?
Oh, I sold my bike to get ready.
You what?
I sold my bike to get some money to get ready.
Flagstaff is absolutely covered with snow. Crews have been hard at work trying to keep streets clear and safe, but the snow has been relentless.
It's pretty darn snowy here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Feeling like I'm in the middle of a snow globe. No globe.
Thank you for answering my calls on such short notice, Professor.
Of course, Zachary. This work scares me, which is why it must be known.
Of course, yeah. Before we start, can we get a little background information?
Of course. My name is Professor Preach. I studied meteorology in Manhattan, Kansas.
How bad are we talking in terms of severity for this upcoming winter?
All the construction, devastation you've seen, it'll only get worse. What you need to understand is the data recorded last year, it was unrecordable.
Unrecordable?
The numbers were so volatile, the computer simply couldn't process the data. It's as if this weather shouldn't exist.
What can people do to prepare?
Be with family, loved ones. Mother Nature can be so cruel to those.
Professor? Professor?
So you might be asking yourself, well, isn't this a little excessive, you know, the hat, the scarf? No. These temperatures right now, they're barreling and spiraling down. Even my cameraman Seth has his gear on. We are fully equipped. Seth, what is the temperature? What is the temperature right now?
Like right now?
Right now. I'm gonna focus this shit. Holy 47 degrees. It's 47 degrees here. And it's only gonna keep going down. Oh, right over there. Come here, okay. Made an experiment a couple hours ago. Put this jar full of water. As you can see, get close, it's almost completely frozen. My God.
It's reverse melting.
Seriously, look at that. You don't get that in the lab. You get that in nature. It's real stuff. It just goes to show you how cold it's getting already. Below freezing. Below zero. So, traditionally, these are frisbee golf nets, cages. But in the wintertime, these become death traps. You know, the snow is nearing, 20 feet heights. And if you fall in this thing, you're gonna ensnare your leg. Oh God. Like 3 people have died here. It's insane.
Over here we have this fence that was completely buried in the snow last winter. The height that it reached was 1 full Shaquille O'Neal, or 5 toddlers high.
So I'm around this dead area. This is a burrow someone has made, probably trying to survive the winter snow. They probably died also. Get back here. Got another jar, frozen. This whole place, everywhere, is a cold death trap. I'm starting to feel it myself, really. Should probably head back to the car soon. We were just walking, we were prepared to leave, and we just stumbled upon this glove. Sorry, this is kind of really emotional. Someone who's dead, you know. This is what the storm does. Kills people and leaves their gloves and stuff so that we can be reminded of the storm. Fuck. Alright, so this is my friend Carl. And Carl, how you doing today? Okay. Carl lost his arm in the storm last winter. So how has it been? Difficult, yeah. I mean, not the end of the world. Not the end of the world, obviously. You know, there's probably many benefits to having one arm. Yeah, you didn't lose your. If you lost your tongue, then who was that on the phone?
Storm's coming.